Now I'm going to brush my hair. Obviously I keep my hair with this headband overnight so it doesn't tangle. So now it's time for me to brush my hair. So I use a paddle brush like this to brush my whole hair, but then I use a comb like this to part my hair. So I do it, for example, let's say like this. And then I just brush it like that. Like that. I do it here slightly. Like so. Here I am. I hope you also love this bra. It's a Slazenger bra. It's for sport, but also can be used as a swimming costume, as a swimwear. So I thought I'm going to wear it. Maybe you may like it. So I thought white will be just fine. I should do 2 ponytails soon for you to see how I look in ponytails. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let's get friendly. Bye.